right, guys, the SPX algo is finally here. This is something I've been working on for months and months and months. It's finally ready to go, and the best part is I'm releasing this for absolutely free. So, all right, guys, a little bit of a change of plans. I was gonna have you guys go to my Instagram and follow me on there, but instead we're changing things up. So all you have to do is join the free Discord. It's gonna be linked down below in the general chat. Type /SPX in the general chat and then enter. And then we're literally gonna give you access for free. So again, all you have to do is join the free Discord. It's gonna be linked down below and then type /SPX in general chat. I'll see you guys inside. In this video, I'm just gonna go over exactly what this is and how to use it, right? So this is an algorithm designed specifically for the S&P 500. So the goal with this is that you watching this are most likely a trader. It's not a predictable source of income. So the goal with trading and what I do and some high-level traders, what they do as well, is they will take profits from trading, from their businesses, and put it into something a little bit more long-term, like the S&P 500, right? On average, you see 10% year over year invested in the S&P 500. The goal with this is to maximize that to its fullest extent, making more than 10% per year, because we are literally giving you guys the buy-in points for the S&P 500. So this is a long-term investment. This is an algorithm designed for long-term investing, but you can also use it to trade options as well if you are an options trader. And I'll kind of go through the settings here, but it's very, very simple, okay? It's a very simple algorithm. All we have are these golden signals, which are the buy points, right? These are the reversal buy points. And we have these warning signals, which are these little red X's, right? So these aren't necessarily sell signals per se, because obviously when you're investing in the S&P 500, it's long-term. You want to be dollar cost averaging. You want to be buying. I'll kind of get into how to use this algorithm for that use case, but these warning signals can let you know that, okay, price is oversold here. Maybe you want to go a little bit risk off or take some profits, right? And look for another buy point, also known as, one of these golden signals. So this algorithm works best on a slightly higher time frame, like a 4-hour time frame, and you can simply come up here to alerts and set an alert. Let me see, where is it? Algo, right? And you can do a golden signal or a warning signal. So you can see, right, in the past, literally calling the bottom, right, to a T and giving you these warning signals as price is reaching those overbought zones, right? We don't have any warning signals yet on a 4-hour, which is pretty good. But if we go back, you can see, it's literally giving you guys these bottom points. So this can either be for dollar cost averaging. Every time you get a buy signal, you can dollar cost average into the markets, or you can use this for long-term options trading as well, right? For all my options traders out there, if you were to enter, SPY calls here and here, you would have made a shit ton of money, right? It's a very easy algorithm. It's very intuitive, very easy to use. All you have to do is set alerts and follow these buy points. Keep in mind, right, when you get to a higher time frame and you are in a downtrend or you are in a bear market like 2022, you will see these signals flashing, right? And price continues to go down. The goal with this is to dollar cost average, right? If you are entering every time you get one of these golden signals, your average entry price is going to be somewhere around here, right? Giving you a really good average entry in the long term, right? So your average entry, if you're buying at these levels, is going to be really good compared to someone who doesn't use this algorithm. If we go back, you can see even in previous bear markets, right? 2020, again, right? Giving you these golden signals, right? Your average entry is going to be somewhere around here, right? That's a really good entry. And you could have used these warning signals to help take profit as well. Right before that large run up, right? Again, even if you look back a little bit further, right? Giving you another buy point here, right? Price goes up, right? Again, buy point, we get a little dip, but right after, price continues to go up, right? So this is a really good average price to get into the S&P 500. And you can see for yourself, these are real-time signals. These are non-repaint, meaning these appear in real time. These do not appear after the fact. If I go into replay mode, you will see as price action is live, right? You can see that these signals are flashing there, in real time, which is very, very nice. Now, you can also use this on a lower time frame for options as well. Now, keep in mind, this will work across other assets. It's just designed for the S&P 500. So you can use this on like lower time frames for like NQ, like NASDAQ if you want as well. It'll work pretty well. But here on the 15-minute on SPX, right, giving you guys these buy points at the bottom, price goes up. These were just the two most recent buy points. So like you literally would have cashed if you had taken calls here when you got these signals. And then you have a clear, take profit signals as well. Going on to a 5-minute time frame, it's really not designed for like scalping per se. But I mean, literally look at this, right? Like it's pretty good, right? So if you want to trade options, you can as well. Let's go to NQ or SPY. We'll go to NQ and we'll go down to like a 5 minute, right? And you can see, it's giving you guys these bottom points where you can enter calls, and warning signals for take profits. It's not going to be as accurate as like investing for long term as higher time frames. But if you use this in Confluence, make sure you're using this in Confluence. It can help for lower time frame stock trading, right? Lower time. Let's go to SPY real quick. Yeah, same thing on SPY, right? Giving you guys these signals. We just got one, warning signal, take profit. So this is actually really accurate. I'm actually pretty surprised. So, feel free to try this out for my options traders as well. You just want to make sure you have other confluences there to kind of assist you. But yeah, that is it for the algorithm. Like I said, this is lifetime free. I'm not asking you guys for anything. Why are we doing this? Number one, I max out on indicators for the pro group, so I literally cannot release any more. I think the max is like 2 at this point, I think, so I can't have 4 indicators under pro. Second, I want to do something for the community. I think this is really powerful and can make people a lot of money. And it's also something pretty unique. No one has developed a long-term investing system like this specifically for the S&P 500, which is what I invest in personally. Like my long-term stock holdings are the S&P 500, which is why I made this algorithm. I said instead of me just dollar cost averaging month over month, what if I could develop a longer term system that will literally give me the buy points when price is very oversold to give me a better average entry over the long run?